Hi, Erin. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about this blog post too. Let's see. Hi, Erin. I'd like to talk to you about blog posts too. I think it's great. I think a lot of really good things are happening. Let me show you a few moments where I think that the logic lapses, okay? So here in your first paragraph, the English language changes all the time. It changes from continent to continent, country to country, state to state, and even city to city. These changes consist of the way we use words in a sentence and even in the meaning we give to words depending upon our age and location. And then it seems like there's a big break here in the logic, so I'd probably insert something before I begin with this very pertinent example. So give me something to move me from this very large opening to this very specific moment. Just one sentence needs to be inserted here before you get to take a look, for example, at how we describe a car in the English language. It's interesting. You could, let me suggest something, you could give a sentence that talk about depending upon our age and location. And then I would talk about maybe give a sentence, a transitional sentence of like, the changing language is on the move. I'm stealing from McWhorter, certainly. And then right into this idea of locomotion, right? Which is what a car is, a locomotive. Loco meaning place and motive meaning motion. And I think that would be a nice segue to your discussion of a car. I kind of think you were doing that in your head. Then you go into a really excellent paragraph about borrowing. When you're using MLA format, you actually don't need to have the commas in between. I like that you are giving examples from your life. When I was in elementary school, this was the most well known as a strip of leather used to whip an animal in an old movie. So you should probably proofread carefully, right? An animal, and there's a few of those. So I want you to read over and find them. I'm not going to show you all of them. When we type, our fingers slide on the keyboard. Let's just polish it up. Take time to refine and to revise. And then I love the references that you give. You have this very kind of accessible way of writing, which is going over really well. In the end of this paragraph, you get very interesting thing happening here. The reason I say that words change by addition, subtraction, and with a twist of invention, very nice move. All you certainly there with that twist, with that turn, that trope, is because there is no prefix in the English language starting with fi. In this case, it is an adopted meaning, which is then combined with the second half of the slang term, gonna, to create a similar slang term with an adopted meaning. I think it's wonderful explanation here. Very, very nuanced, very subtle. So congratulations. I'm really, really happy with your progress here on this blog, and I hope that you are too. Thanks.